Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today we are refreshing Ruby's bedroom. Thank you to Bedshore for sponsoring today's video. I'm very picky about bedding especially, and I have to say I'm so impressed with the quality of the linen and textiles. They sent me everything I'll need to create a comfy bed. The first thing I got is what I'm opening now. It's a large oversized waffle knit quilt. I have one similar to this. I got it in the color pink, and then I also chose a sheet set, all white, cotton, and this that I'm opening up now is the quilt. So I'm picky with quilts, especially. I usually do duvets, but quilts are so much easier. This quilt felt so heavy and just fluffy and comfortable. It's a really good quality quilt. And then I also did get a satin pillowcase for Ruby's bed and this beautiful faux fur throw blanket. This was the day before. I wanted to make sure everything was washed and thoroughly dried before I put them onto the bed. Now we're in Ruby's room on the next day. There's not really much going on in her room. We took all of her other sheets off already. We're planning on switching things up. I will explain all that during the video. I'm just giving you guys an overview of what we're working with. Ruby has these two huge closets in her room. So handy. She has so much storage in here, but not very much else. Her dresser is still in the garage downstairs. We have her mirror up. Her desk that we got for her was an L-shaped desk and was blocking the other closet, so we had to return it. We're now looking for another desk for her. And Ruby also wants to change her bedroom furniture from white to black, and a lot of the stuff that I see is like brownish black. It's not fully jet black unless it's some outdated old school looking thing that she doesn't like any of those. Sorry, I accidentally hit my mic. That's what that sound was. But now she wants to go back to just all white furniture. So she settled for a white desk, and the kids' desk will be in probably like this week or like later on this weekend. So now I'm cleaning Ruby's mirror. I just quickly cleaned her window and dusted her blinds. Poor Ruby, she ordered so many posters for her room, and we made sure that they weren't the canvas ones, but somehow more than half of them turned out to be canvas. So the only ones we have to put up for today, the paper ones, it's like 3 or 4 of them, and we have to figure out where we're going to get more paper posters because she doesn't like the idea of framing her posters. She wants them to all be paper posters and for it to cover all of her walls. I'm not sure why the camera went out of focus here. We were trying to get it to focus back in. That's why Ruby has her hand in front of it. We ended up figuring it out after I got the Tokyo Manji Gang poster up. That's from Ruby's old room, so it was a little bit wrinkled. Once we realized that all 3 posters were the same size we thought they were, the queen one was a little bit longer, but Ruby said she didn't want to cut it and she didn't mind, so we just left it the way that it was. And this is how it came out. I feel like I would have put the queen one in the middle and just put a little bit of space in between each one, but if Ruby likes it, then that's the way I'm going to leave it. This is also from her old room, the McLovin flag. She decided that she wanted to put this up. We might end up taking it down because she wants more and more posters in her room rather than this flag taking up most of the space. Oh, I ran out of thumbtacks, so I'm using these small gold nails. I think I showed you guys in a few videos ago. Also, we're going to be hanging a TV in Ruby's room eventually. So her dresser drawer that's downstairs right now is a 6 drawer, but it takes up too much space with her mirror there, and she wants the mirror there because she wants her posters to be in the background of her TikToks and her selfies. So I just went ahead and dusted the bed frame. Now I'm going to vacuum the mattress. I chose these bamboo and linen sheets for the bed. I got them in the color white. These are so soft and comfortable. It's technically fall now, but in Florida it's still pretty warm. We don't get cold weather until about December, January, February. It gets really cold. I saw on the Bedshore website that they had a heated blanket. There's also a cooling blanket. They have mattress protectors, pillows, like robes, everything. Anything and everything. Okay, now we have our base down. I'm going to put the pillowcases on the pillows. Normally I would tuck the flat sheet into the bed frame, but this quilt is so big and fluffy that it kind of just hangs over. Also, I don't want it to be like restricting when she gets into bed, so I left it open. We're doing 4 pillows for the bed. These are the pillows that she's actually going to sleep on, and then for the satin one, she can just put it on whichever one she's going to sleep on that night. But for the quilt, I got the Cotton Waffle Weave Comforter set, and it's a 3-piece set. It comes with 2 shams, so that's what I'm going to be using the other pillows for. At this point, I already wanted to get into the bed. Something about fresh sheets and just getting into them feels so good. The bed was definitely calling my name, but those are the shams on the pillows. And then I'm going to show you guys the throw blanket that we got. It's the Ultra Plus Bubble Faux Fur Blanket in the XL size. We love this. It's so soft and comfortable. I just could not stop touching it. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the texture. I wish you could feel the softness. It feels so good and comfortable. They also sent this other throw blanket that I mentioned earlier, the pink one. There's really no need for me to put it on the bed for now, so I'm just putting it off to the side and folding it till whenever Ruby feels like she needs it. I wanted to try a couple different ways how to put the throw blanket on the bed. I feel like I like this the most. The design is just so pretty. I feel like I want to see more of it. This definitely looks like a bed I want to get into. Update, that night Ruby slept. She didn't wake up until noon the next day, like 12:30. I had to check on her like twice, thinking, are you okay? It was just so comfortable. And there's a satin pillowcase that I was talking about earlier. I love that it has the zipper closure on it. That's really important because these ones tend to slip off if they don't have a zipper. The last thing I'm going to do is vacuum all the floors. I felt so bad for Ruby that most of her posters in her room isn't coming out the way that she wanted it, with the canvas posters and then the desk mishap. I'm so glad that I was able to at least make her bed comfortable and something to look forward to in her room until we can figure out the rest. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, I'll have all the links and a discount code in the description for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.